Okay, people, today's lesson is on redonda. The redonda is 6 striking movements or technique. Starting off from right foot forward stance, chambering left hand under right. The first 3 strikes is delivered from your right and finishing off to your left, like so. Forehand, backhand, forehand. Again, forehand strike, backhand strike, forehand strike. Now change position, left foot forward. Right hand chamber under your left. First strike is left hand, forehand strike from your left. The number 2 strike is backhand strike from your right, the right hand. Number 3 strike is backhand strike from your left, not under your right, and it's complete the left foot forward stance strike. In other words, you start off from your right, you will finish off on your left. If you change foot, left foot forward, you start off on your left, you will finish off on your right. 1, 2, 3, like so. That is the redonda X move. So now we're going to go back to right foot forward. We're going to deliver the same strike with a very little speed, or a little bit more speed, like so. Change foot. So the idea is, if someone stick their hand out, or foot, or head, or whatever, out in front of you, you're going to strike that part of the body 3 times. 1, 2, 3, then change. 1, 2, 3. If they stick their hands out, hypothetically speaking, and you want to destroy that hand because they're carrying a weapon, so you can remove the weapon from the hand, you will destroy the hand. Like so. Redonda X movement. Practice.